Find the combined ratio A is to B is to C. This is the given condition. पहले आप फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स को पिक करेंगे. 3A equal to 4B. This B is in multiply. It changes to divide. और यहाँ पर 3 multiply में है. I'm shifting it on right side. तो ये बना 4/3. So standard ratio is A is to B, which is 4 is to 3. Now you pick up the next two terms. Similarly, we can write it B upon C. And shift it on right, ये बना 6/4. After cancellation this is 3/2. इसको रेशियो फॉर्म में लिखा. B is to C equal है 3 is to 2. Now before we combine, we make sure that both the B's should be same. B of this ratio is 3 and B of this ratio is also 3. Now we can merge these two. So your final answer A is to B is to C is 4. This common value will be written one time. And last ratio 2.